Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best RV accessories on Amazon. Camping has to be one of America's favorite pastimes. Today, campers have more options than ever when it comes to customizing their trip. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Brightic Waterproof Solar-Powered Outdoor String Lights. Most RV enthusiasts love the outdoors and want to maximize and enhance their outdoor experiences, even at night. The Brightic Ambience Pro Waterproof, solar-powered outdoor string lights create one of the most romantic and welcoming after-dark ambiences of any outdoor lights on the market. String them around your RV awning to create a warm and welcoming vibe that will keep you outside chatting and reminiscing into the wee hours. These lights can last between 5 to 6 hours on a full charge, giving you plenty of time to enjoy the evening. They're also bright enough to grill and eat by without being obnoxious. These lights are designed to withstand some harsh conditions, including snow, rain, temperatures up to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, and wind speeds of up to 50 miles per hour. They are a little pricey compared to some other outdoor solar options, but they have a 3-year warranty and a long life. Another drawback is that they're exclusively solar-powered, so if you camp in a shaded spot, they may not power up fully each day. Number 2. Walex Porta-Pack Holding Tank Deodorizer Drop-Ins. Sometimes, there's nothing more important than your RV toilet, and that's why Walex Porta-Pack Holding Tank Deodorizer Drop-Ins are a great accessory. Cleaning your RV's holding tank is a critical job, but it's dirty work. This RV accessory makes the tough task easy by providing unbeatable odor prevention and cleaning in a single drop-in pod. These deodorizer pods are biodegradable and formaldehyde-free, and they dissolve quickly. Once inside your RV's holding tank, they'll deliver fresh fragrance while they eliminate odors, break down waste, break down toilet paper, and clean the holding tank. They offer 7 full days of powerful odor control to keep your RV's toilet smelling fresh, and they're suitable for holding tanks up to 40 gallons in size. There's no need for messy liquids, chemicals, or other cleaning products. These pods will do it all with one flush. Number 3. Weber Burner Portable Gas Grill. Just because you're away from home doesn't mean you have to miss out on your big fancy gas grill and all its glory. The Weber Q2200 one-burner portable gas grill is a portable, powerful option that delivers all the stellar performance and durability of your full-size Weber grill. This portable model offers 280 inches of cooking space, which is plenty of room to cook a full meal for 4 people. The integrated thermometer lets you easily control the internal cooking temperature, ensuring you get perfectly cooked meat, seafood, and vegetables. This grill has a powerful 12,000 BTU capacity, which is strong compared with many other portable gas grills on the market. We also love that this grill has 2 handy fold-out side tables to help with food prep. The porcelain enamel cast iron grates retain heat and will hold up to years of grilling without fail. This unit is a little pricier than some, but it's well known for its long-lasting durability, and replacement parts are easy to come by. Number 4. Excelpure Inline RV Water Filter. This water filter is designed for RVs, campers, motorhomes, and more, so users don't have to deal with sediment, odors, or bad taste in their drinking water. The filter removes chlorine, VOC, THMs, and other contaminants. The filter is NSF certified and features coconut shell-activated carbon. One of the best things about this filter is that it's simple to attach to a standard water or gardening hose. It filters out rust, heavy metals, and other materials you don't want to consume. It's a good value for what you get, and it does a good job of purifying the water. Excelpure has a 6-month return policy and a lifetime warranty on every filter. Number 5. Coleman 40QT Power Chill Hard-Sided Cooler. One of the biggest sacrifices we have to make when going RVing is refrigerator space. Yes, some larger luxury RVs have full-sized fridges, but for the rest of us who are trying to cram as much food as possible into a tiny fridge, the Coleman 40QT Power Chill Hard-Sided Cooler is a lifesaver. You can plug it in outside or inside your RV to any 12-volt power supply and have chilled foods and beverages without the need for messy, melting ice. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.